Hello, what's up guys? Andito ako ngayon sa rooftop and currently this is the day 1 of our daily exercise sa Pat Fit and samahan niyo ako guys. First exercise, mag-jog tayo for 5 minutes. Yo, kakatapos ko lang jogging at ngayon gagawa tayo ng hill climber plank saka normal plank for 1 minute, tag 1 minute each. So, tara! Hello guys, it's day 2 so gagawa tayo ng upper body workout.
Normal push-up, 2 sets, 10 reps. Incline push-up, 2 sets, 10 reps. Spike push-up, 2 sets, 10 reps. Normal squats, 2 sets, 10 reps. Calf raise, 2 sets, 10 reps. Pull-ups, 5 sets, 2 reps.
This is day 8, week 2, mag-jog tayo for 7 minutes. Normal push-up, 2 sets, 11 reps. Incline push-up, 2 sets, 11 reps. Bike push-up, 2 sets, 11 reps. Normal squats, 2 sets, 11 reps. Calf raise, 2 sets, 11 reps. Toe raise, 2 sets, 11 reps.
Pull-ups, 4 sets, 4 reps.